What's up, y'all? I woke up this morning with a lot of negativity, you know what I'm saying? Just feeling negative, overwhelmed, which happens sometimes depending on what kind of dreams I have. And I just found myself like sitting around and making matters worse by reflecting on things that haven't been going my way. It's just when there's one problem, you start looking for other problems to join them, and I guess that's just a different aspect of misery loves company. It's not always you looking for somebody else to join in on your misery. It's you finding more misery to connect to the initial, whatever you may be feeling at that point, which can be very detrimental, can be very dangerous, and can mess up your output, could set you back a few minutes, hours, days. It could set you back, and could be very costly. But it reminds me of something, and that's an object in motion tends to stay in motion. And so, without being all fluffy, I'm gonna cut the fluff and just say that is a response to a great deal of negativity that you may be feeling. You have to keep going, you know? And if you experience a great deal of overwhelming negativity within your cycle, then you must break the cycle. You have to give yourself something else to look forward to. You have to take another path, perhaps a lesser traveled path, to get you away from the habitual states of negativity, of misfortune, of calamity. And just keep letting your negativity have it. Every weapon that you can use against your enemies, please use them. First, identify your enemies, then throw everything that you have at it. If it means you gotta journal, then you journal. If you gotta meditate, then you meditate. If it's semen retention, it's semen retention. You don't rely on just one thing. You throw everything at it. If you gotta read, you read. I don't know if I said work out, but you work out. You talk to people. You go walking. You make progress. You work on projects. Constantly. Just keep going at it. We are still animals after all, and animals, they keep it moving. They don't sit and reflect on how they failed, or else they'd starve. There's a lot to be worried about. There's a lot that can cripple us, a lot that can make us feel paralyzed, and the best thing that we can do is show ourselves that we are not disabled and that there are things that we can do. We can move. And to those who can't physically move, there's still something that you can do. But sitting and ruminating on all the negativity, all the things that aren't working your way, is a waste of time, because if you can change it, then change it. There's nothing to worry about. And if you can't change it, well, you can't change it, so what are you worrying about? You know what I mean? Either way, worry isn't necessarily your friend if it doesn't propel you to move, if it doesn't motivate you to take action. So always be on the side of taking action, especially if you feel terrible. If you feel this negative feeling that you can't seem to shake it in a positive way. Somebody like myself, I'm sober. I can't drink it away or smoke it away. I just have to face it, I have to accept it, and I have to move on the best way that I can. So stay in motion. All right, take care.